Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you own Iraqi Dinar or follow currency news, this update is important. Today, we're looking at one phrase that's been capturing attention: CBI ISO 301 operational readiness. In this video, I'll explain what Frank26 reported, what ISO 301 operational readiness means in simple terms, why it matters, and what practical steps holders can take next. We'll break everything down so even if you're new to these terms, you can follow along. I'll also touch on timelines, key guardrails, and what to watch in the coming days and weeks. Remember, this is not financial advice, just a calm review of recent developments. Stay with me until the end for a short checklist to stay informed and organized. At its core, CBI ISO 301 operational readiness refers to technical and operational standards at the Central Bank of Iraq. These standards affect how the bank interacts with international systems and counterparties. While technical, the practical effect is improved trust from international banks and financial institutions. Frank26's update made this milestone viral within the Dinar community because it signals that certain reforms at the central bank are moving forward. Operational readiness is a process, not a single switch. It involves testing systems, completing compliance checks, and proving the bank can process transactions reliably and securely under real-world conditions. Achieving milestones like ISO 301 builds confidence with international partners and aligns Iraq's banking system with global norms. For holders, this means smoother international transactions, more reliable access to foreign exchange corridors, and overall stronger banking credibility. But implementation takes time, involving documentation, third-party validations, and stage testing. ISO 301 operational readiness signals procedural progress, not an immediate currency reset. Frank26 is a well-known commentator in the Dinar community. His highlight about ISO 301 operational readiness is why excitement is high. While some celebrate this progress, others advise caution. Community reactions are mixed, and official processes take time. Understanding operational readiness helps translate community updates into practical meaning. Operational readiness in a central bank includes tested systems, trained staff, secure processes, compliance with regulations, reliable communication with other banks, and the ability to settle transactions without interruption. It also involves contingency plans and political and security considerations. These steps are invisible to most, but they set the foundation for larger reforms like integration into international settlement networks. It's important to understand that operational readiness does not guarantee a sudden currency revaluation. Exchange rates and formal redenomination require multiple steps, including legal actions, policy decisions, and coordination with global institutions. Milestones remove some barriers, but are only part of the process. For holders, the short to medium-term implication is that progress may lead to smoother transactions, more reliable international access, and gradual market confidence improvements. However, changes are phased. Operational integration first, improved access next, and eventually structural policy adjustments. Diversification, patience, and realistic expectations remain essential. Timelines vary. Some milestones take weeks, others months or even years. Milestones open doors to next steps, but multiple approvals and testing are required. Think of each milestone like a level in a game. Completing one level unlocks the next, but you still need to finish it. International credibility matters. When major banks and institutions see that Iraq's central bank meets global standards, they are more likely to engage in trade, credit, and settlement procedures. This integration doesn't immediately change the currency value, but creates a healthier environment that supports gradual improvements over time. Risks remain. The Dinar community has seen cycles of hope and delays. Milestones can be meaningful, but misinterpreted. Geopolitical, political, and domestic factors may slow progress. Verify all claims through official sources, including central bank announcements, regulatory filings, and documented pilot transactions. Avoid basing decisions on rumors or social media speculation. Practical steps for holders. Follow official